Time remaining 2 minutes 40 in the third quarter. 6-point lead by the Rise, 35-26. Bong. Back to Jingson. Jingson looking for a teammate. Cross-court pass to Bong. Bong, jumper. Yeah. Just the 2 points, right? 35-31. Apat pa lang ang kailangan ng Rise. Rex Spates, he got fouled by Bong, number 78.
Pangalan yan? Dalawa? 2.
Second personal on Bong, 13 foul on the shield, 2 shots for Rex. First basket, good. 36-31. Short on the second, rebounded by Jay. Pass it to Julie, to Jason, to Bong. Pass to Jay. Rebounded by Gale. Rex to Mamosea for jumper. Yeah. So Mama say, pass the ball. Pass by Mama say to Ray, 30-31.
That's a highlight reel.
9-point lead by Lakais with 40 seconds remaining in the third. James Jumper, he got fouled by
Jeff.
38. Jeff.
Pangalan ni Jeff yan? Dalawa?
Second personal on Jeff, 13 foul on the Lakais with 20 seconds remaining in the third quarter. 2 shots for Jay. First basket by Jay is good. 40